Hello guys, this is a quick one. Just want to show you guys a quick one, very short video. This is my today's trades. You can see I got some little losses, but since we're in so much profit, we're good. As you can see, we're gonna keep holding. This market is a long way down. I'm gonna go to this point here, but I'm not gonna wait it out. So we're gonna wait a little. You can see it returning from a very strong trend here, the downtrend. You can see. There's a strong support area here. You can see here. It's trying to push it back. Everybody says stop in here. But I think he's gonna break it though. He's gonna break it to test this point. Okay. He's gonna break it. Let's hold. Let's hold. Let's hold. Let's hold and see. You don't have to be afraid. In trading, you don't add emotions when trading. You can see right here that it's gonna push the market down. That's a confirmation of a long sell that's gonna happen in this market. It's definitely gonna break this point. It's gonna break this support area. You can see this long candle here that returned. So pay attention to these candles when you're trading. Pay attention to these candles when you're trading. You see it return like this. 1, 2, 3. Now it's trying to break this point. Then if we zoom out a little, you can see that if you just look at it in a time frame, you can see that it's a strong support area actually. You can see right here, we try to get down here, try here, and try here, nice trying here, it's trying here again. So let's be patient and see how the market goes. Never mind, when you're trading, don't be moved by the profit you're seeing, okay? Just focus on the market. Focus on the market. Don't be moved by the profit you are seeing in your trades. Don't say, oh, I'm looking, oh, wow. No. That is a wrong way to trade. You focus on the market movements, the trend analysis, the trend line, especially the trend line. Let's go to 1 week. Let's see. Okay. You can see it's returning and sending it back. Sending the market back. You can see a monthly candle. You can see this here. So you can see this here. Powerful resistance area. You can see this. It's pushing the market back down on the monthly time frame. Okay, as you can see. why I used a lot of big lot sizes, so I'm gonna close it. I don't want to wait it out. I just want to use this to show you guys when you say strong resistance area, you can see it here. Mark that down, and when you notice the trend line, you see it. Let me support this with the Bollinger Bands indicator. Let's have a look on the trend line. You can see it. You can see it here. You guys can see it's a downtrend. You can see in the Bollinger Band it has tried to break the resistance area. It couldn't, so it's gonna go back. It's gonna go back down. This is the point it's going to get to before it's gonna return back up. So struggling in this area. The market is struggling because it's a strong resistance area, as you can see. Very strong resistance area. Let's take this Bollinger Band. This is a strong resistance area, like a neckline on head and shoulder pattern. But it's not a head and shoulder pattern though, but it's sort of a head and shoulder pattern, because when you look at the left, you have this head. When you look at the right, you have this, and there's standing points above them. So what you do, you wait. You don't rush. You don't rush, you wait. You just wait. You can see all these points here are very powerful resistance area that sends the market down. You can see. Make sure you're more focused on these points I'm marking. Make sure you're focused on these points I'm marking here. You can see the market broke here at first. It came down. Now I tried to go back up, but this resistance is pushing it down again. So if the market eventually breaks this neckline, if it breaks here will now become a resistance area to keep pushing it down until it gets to a stronger support. I can take it back up and break it. But for now, let's say this market is good. It's gonna keep going down. It is definitely gonna keep going down. So guys, not much. I said let me do this video for you guys to show you guys once more, to motivate you. Don't give up in trading. You learn every day in Forex, in synthetic indices, whatever it is that you're trading. Don't give up. Even when you're in loss, you try to know your mistakes and correct them. Each one of those that you see trading such amount in the market, there was a time we actually were losing, blowing accounts and blowing. You see, that we could never make profit from it. You see, I traded for over a year and I was losing before I started actually making profit from Forex. So sometimes I'll accumulate it in the account, then I enter a bad trade and boom, before you know it, the money, all of it is gone. For just one wrong move I made. So guys, I'm gonna close this market here. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna close it here. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I'll reply to you. Please subscribe and like this video. I have other videos that has a lot of training on the synthetic indices. I'll teach you how to predict the market without indicators, because I don't trade with indicators. So please, okay guys, I'm gonna close it here. Let me close it here. And see you guys in the next video. Don't mind the losses, don't mind the losses. You see, so long as you're still in profit for that day, you can close your losses. Okay, 5,952 in one day. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.